Okay, first and foremost, the one thing you need to know whenever duplicating an announcement is you cannot uh, duplicate an image, a video, or even a link that's associated with Blackboard. It will not work. In fact, I know you've all seen tons and tons of emails going around about the errors, right? The errors that many people are getting in Brightspace, where you actually have to log in as if you were logging into Blackboard. So, with that said, I just want to walk you through this very simple process. If you have a few things that you know you're going to use, for example, this image and this video, and the first thing you need to do is, like in my particular case, I would basically right click on this image and I would save this image. Okay, I would save this image to at least somewhere on my desktop. Okay, and so now I have that image. Now the next thing you want to do before you even get started is, you know that with this video, uh, you can actually embed videos directly into Brightspace, but what you have to do is know the name of the video. So what I do is to basically take me to the video is I'll right click and you can on the video and click copy the URL. So now unless I copy something else, I can always paste the URL directly into Brightspace. So now let's hop on over to Brightspace. I'll click on the course menu, I'll click on announcements, and I'll click create new announcement, right? Then I will go back over to um, Blackboard, and the first thing I'll do is I'll erase the image and I'll erase the video. The fortunate thing for us, unless there are any links like this link right here, this link that I have copied in directly in uh, Blackboard, will not work. So I need to get rid of any links, any images, and any videos. The fortunate thing for us, these are not links. I just highlighted them in blue. What I would simply do is select all and then copy. Well, I'm using a Mac, so it's pretty easy for me, which will be Control A, and then Control A, which is select all, and then Control C, which is copy. And then all I would simply do in Blackboard is Control V from a Mac. But since I want to match, if you're using a Mac, you can actually match the text, the type of text that would be inside of Blackboard. So what I do is I just simply paste what it is that I copied directly into there. As you can see, everything is where it needs to be except for the image as well as the video deal. So now you can also, another trick you can also do is you can select all inside of the announcement and then make the font all the same. In this particular case, I'm going to do Times New Roman and I'm going to do 12. Okay, so the font is pretty much all the same. All right, so now I know that I'm missing the image here. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on the camera icon, which is image, and I'll pull the file directly from my computer. I can drag and drop the file, or I can upload it. In this particular case, I'm just going to drag it in. Okay. I'm going to click add, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it a SWAT. Okay. So I click SWAT, and it says, do you want to create a new file, overwrite an existing one? I'm just going to create a new file for all intents and purposes. Now, as you can tell, the SWAT image is way too big, so I'm just going to resize it. Okay? Just going to resize it a little bit here and work on the spacing here. Bring that up, bring this up, and the next thing I need to do is embed the video. Now, fortunately for me, I opened the video in another tab. So I'm actually copying the URL, and I'm going to use that same URL when I'm embedding a YouTube video. So you click on the video icon, click YouTube. Now, if you know the name of the video, you can just perform the search, or you can copy the YouTube link directly into it. In this particular case, it takes me directly to it. You select the video, then you click Next. Okay? And it's going to give you the properties of the video, even give you the source. And since I want to insert the video into the announcement, I'm just going to simply click on Insert. And so now the video is in Blackboard. Now, there's still some spacing issues here, and I actually clicked past the video. Oh yeah, by the way, if you need to undo something, just click on these three little dots here, and you can just click this back button, and you can undo anything that you've actually accidentally erased. Go back to size here real quick. That's 12, and this is Times New Roman. All right, so now, other than me adding the SWOT link here, which all I got to do is highlight this and find the SWOT video actually in the course. It'll be in learning modules, and then I can link it up there. All you got to do is add a header to this, and which in this particular case would be, show you, welcome to week 2, and then copy paste it, and then all I have to do is click publish, and once I click publish, the announcement will look like the original announcement I showed you, and that's pretty much it.